प्रणाम आंटी। मैं अद्रिजा और मेरे साथ अनुष्वा है।
अंकल आप हमें क्लियरली सुन पा रहे हैं ना?
अरे
आप हमें क्लियरली सुन पा रहे हैं ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल सुन पा रहे हैं।
कैन वी स्टार्ट?
It's live.
Yes. Actually, I'm slightly hard of hearing.
कैमरा को और थोड़ा पीछे ले सकते हैं?
हाँ।
Is it okay now?
Yes, perfect. Perfect. Jai Hind friends, on this session of our interaction, we are honored to have the parents of Captain Amol Kalia with us. और आज हम अंकल और आंटी से सुनेंगे हमारे हीरो के बचपन के बारे में, उनके स्कूल डेज के बारे में, वो क्यों आर्मी में गए थे, कैसे कैसे मतलब वो आर्मी में अपने आप को तैयार किए थे, इन सब के बारे में। अंकल आप शुरू कीजिए।
I feel proud of being the father of such a great soldier. It was my wish that he should join the army. So I'm so thankful to him that he obeyed me and joined the army. I was a teacher. I used to teach the children of other people to be patriots, to be prepared to make any sacrifice for the nation. So when the time came, I persuaded him and he joined the army.
आंटी आप हमें कैप्टन कालिया के बचपन के बारे में बताइए।
She can hardly speak. And the time comes she cannot speak for herself.
No problem,
That's
uncle.
absolutely no problem. अंकल आप हमें बताएंगे उनके बचपन के बारे में, क्या सब्जेक्ट उनको पसंद था, कैसे कैसे उन्होंने अपने आप को तैयार किए थे आर्मी के लिए।
ऐसा था कि वो तो बहुत ही डेलिकेट था, बहुत थिन स्ट्रक्चर था। बचपन में तो बहुत ही संभाल के रखना पड़ा था, वो बहुत कमजोर था। तो बाय जैसे वो ग्रो करता रहा, गेम्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना शुरू किया और उसकी जो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी वो शुरू कर दी, तो उसके बाद ही गेम फिर वो जब प्लस 2 में चला गया है तो इनका मेरी इच्छा थी कि छुट्टी जाएगा आर्मी। थोड़ा मैं इंजेक्ट करता रहा हूँ और जब टाइम आया है तो प्लस 2 के बाद एंट्रेंस टेस्ट में उसने इंजीनियरिंग में भी वो कामयाब हो गया था, मेडिकल के लिए भी था। तो एनडीए का पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम दिया था एग्जाम और फिर वो आ गया। Then I asked him to work now. Is that join? He said, I would like to go first for the medical, second, not for there, then I'll go for engineering. Army the third. So I asked him, can you change the order? Why not the army at number 1? The simple question he asked, Papa, why? Then I told him that we will get maximum chances of serving the nation and minimum chances of corruption in government. This is what I desire being a teacher. And he forgot everything. He made up his mind to find out. Though I had to pay a very heavy price for that, and I lost my mind. But he obeyed.
अंकल कैप्टन कालिया मतलब थ्रू एनडीए वो आर्मी में आप भर्ती हुए थे?
या एनडीए फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट।
और कैप्टन कालिया दे आर टू ब्रदर्स, तो कितने डिफरेंस है अंकल दोनों के बीच में एज के?
पापा और चाचू के बीच में डिफरेंस, एज डिफरेंस। पापा और चाचू के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना?
2 years 2 years।
2 years। तो दोनों लड़ते थे बचपन में?
कहते थे
बहुत कम होता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन इतना भी नहीं है कि they were daggers drawn with each other. They were quite affectionate to each other.
अंकल वो अपने एनडीए या आईएमए लाइफ के कभी कोई एक्सपीरियंस आपसे शेयर किए हैं, मतलब ट्रेनिंग पीरियड के टाइम में क्या 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 सीख रहे हैं?
ऐसा था कि वो बहुत कम एडवेंचर्स करता था, लेकिन नरेट नहीं करता था। लोगों से पता लगता था दैट ही हैज डन दिस एंड दैट, हमें कभी शेयर नहीं करना। जैसे आम और ये लोग ऐसे बताते हैं मैंने ये किया मैंने वो किया, ऐसा बहुत कम बताता था। लोगों से जरूर पता लगता था कि उसने ये किया है, तो ये उसकी नेचर ऐसी थी, कभी भी एक्सपोज नहीं करता था। बट ही वाज डिटर्मिनेशन उसका काम था, जो वो सोच लेता था।
उनकी पासिंग आउट के टाइम में आप लोग तो आईएमए गए होंगे?
बिल्कुल गए थे वो।
हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस?
वो हमारी लाइफ का बेस्ट डे था, उससे बड़ा दिन कभी नहीं आएगा, नहीं आएगा।
अंकल कैप्टन कालिया ने मतलब जैकलाई उन्होंने चूज क्यों किया था, कोई वजह था?
जैकलाई चूज करने तो इट इज allotted by the army itself. कोई ऑप्शन मेरा बाप और मेरे का दादा ने कहा आई हैव वेरी लिटिल लिंक्स विद द आर्मी, तो हमारी कोई ऑप्शन नहीं थी।
अंकल आपके जो ग्रैंड डॉटर अभी आपके साथ है वो हमारे साथ कुछ बताएगी, मतलब अबाउट हाउ ही हर्ड अबाउट हर अंकल एंड ऑल?
He has not seen. He was born afterwards.
नहीं उन्होंने देखा तो नहीं, लेकिन मतलब अपने अंकल के बारे में अपने पापा से क्या सुने हैं?
अभी बात करता हूँ। She is my daughter Ishita Kalia.
Hi, thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping us.
Actually, she is the person behind, she is the technical person behind this session who made it possible for the uncle and auntie to sit with us today. So, welcome and youngster from the family of Captain Amol Kalia with us. इशिता आप हमें ये बताइए कि मतलब आप अपने पापा से क्या सुने हैं अपने भाई के बारे में, मतलब how is he influencing you, your life, और मतलब तुम्हें how you are feeling to be a niece of Captain Amol Kalia?
The thing is, I have not known him personally because I was born after 99. But it makes me very proud because I only hear about him in stories and not from just my dadu dadi, from all around. Like I get stories from people I don't know that well, but they tell me how inspiring my chachu was for them. So without even knowing him, it is meant me pride to be somehow connected to him. Even though I have not done anything of that level, but remotely being connected to that name gives me pride.
My grandson is also here. I'll
Please join.
Sure.
Request him to join.
Hello, what is your name?
Naman Kalia.
Pardon, please.
Naman Kalia.
Okay, and tell us, you can also share. आप लोगों ने अपने पापा से दोनों भाइयों के बीच के कुछ स्टोरीज कुछ सुने हैं कभी?
Papa tells us one day they got a dog, street side dog, and started to pet the dog. And they were not allowed. They were very scared that Dadu Dadi won't allow the dog to be there. So I think that's my dad's fondest memory, that they came together and it was their teamwork. They hit the dog and they petted the dog entirely without letting those two people know in the same house. And then after a while, obviously they came to know. But
No,
that is one
exactly.
thing my dad talks about. And secondly, he also took us to the school they used to go in, so dad has told me about those memories. He
Finally,
is
could
what
they keep the pet?
I don't think it was long. They tried to fight it, but it didn't go through. He is more inspired. He wants to join the army. Engage
Okay.
his dream.
That who is your inspiration? Your father or your chachu?
I'll say Chachu.
So sweet.
And you want to join army?
Yes.
Okay.
On the
So in this consequence, I must also say that the elder brother of Captain Kalia is also serving the Indian Armed Forces, but in different branch.
he's in Air Force.
Yes, he did his engineering and then joined the forces.
That's presently.
Okay.
Presently, he's serving in Indian Air Force as the Captain Aman Kalia.
So he joined after 99, I think.
Before 99.
In 95.
Okay. 95. Okay.
Not 95, 95. He also had a lot of
Uncle
options as a graduate. He worked in two companies, I think. But then again, somehow the two brothers love the defense, love the forces. He switched the job. The moment his letter came, he left the job. And what I learned from dad is that both the brothers, they had utmost respect for the forces. My dad never regrets for a second that if he would have not joined the Indian Air Force, his colleagues, the people he was studying with, nobody is in India, everybody is settled abroad. They are extremely rich, like beyond measure. But I have never seen my dad compare or something. My dad is always proud of the fact that he chose this option. And I asked him once that you would be earning a lot more money if you would have chose the other option, but he's always proud of what he did.
Audrija, you have any question for Uncle, I think?
Uncle, बचपन से Captain Amol Kalia was very brave.
बचपन से चाचू ब्रेव थे, कैसे थे?
It's a firm mind. He was quite brave, quite talkative.
कुछ बचपन के कहानी सुनाएंगे Uncle? I know it's very difficult.
यहाँ खड़ी होकर क्वेश्चन चालू है.
बचपन की कहानी सुनाओगे? कोई कुछ याद आ रहा हो? चाचू अपनी बहन से बोल
कुछ खास याद नहीं आ रहा.
Mute.
It's more than
Uncle,
enough
you-
that Auntie joined us today, but I think we don't disturb her.
Uncle, आप आराम कर सकते हैं, हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. Actually, I must tell everyone that I had requested Uncle कि हमारा ये वीडियो सेशन कोई और दिन करेंगे, but Uncle insisted कि we must do it today. And when I said we didn't want to disturb you, Uncle, today, and Uncle said today is a day of our pride, and that's why Uncle today has come with us to share the stories of Captain Amol Kalia. and we can clearly see where from Captain Amol Kalia got all the strength.
ये बात
And uncle, as a parent, I always draw strength from you. Especially, I had heard this story when you had said you reversed the order of your choice because armed forces is the place where we can serve our nation best and directly. Since then, I have decided that I will also tell the same thing to my children when they grow up and decide on their career. So you always inspire us, uncle.
आप इंस्पायर करते हो उनको कि अपने साथी को
वो एड्रेस चाहिए
हाँ, uncle.
I'm sorry for
there's something wrong with the network. I can't
being
हाँ, बस
disconnected actually for some time.
can't hear you.
For them
Can
today.
Yes.
Hello.
हाँ, we can hear you. Yes. Arshu, you were saying something?
Pardon?
No, uncle, do you have any message for the youngsters who want to join army? There are lots of youngsters in our group today who is listening also this session. So do you have a message for them?
I advise and I want that all youngsters they should be prepared to join the army. Army is the only profession in India, especially where minimum corruption is here, and you get the maximum chances of serving the nation. That should be here.
There are lots of connectivity issue today.
There's no problem.
We will, no problem. We will.
Ishita, can you arrange the camera a little bit because uncle is partially visible on the screen. Perfect, perfect.
My message for the youngsters is that they must be prepared to join the Indian forces, डिफेंस ज्वाइन करे, देश की सेवा करने का बेस्ट अवसर भी मिलता है और आपको ईमानदार बनने की शिक्षा भी यही मिलती है, शारीरिक रूप से भी आप हरिष्ट पुष्ट रहते हैं। तो मेरी विश है, मेरी तमन्ना है जो नौजवान जो है वो आर्मी की तरफ जाना चाहिए।
Today, I think we should not disturb uncle and auntie anymore. It is the greatness of uncle that he wished to join us today. But I think we should, I mean, remain them peacefully with the memories of Captain Kalia today silently.
बिल्कुल अंकल आंटी
So,
हम सब आपके पास
though it's a very short uncle, we will continue this interactive session on some other day.
Okay.
And thank you for, I mean, for joining us today. And this is really an honor for Desh to have you here today.
Desh is doing a great job. All my kudos, all my best wishes for Desh. And especially you two young ladies are doing a lot. You are serving the forces. I don't have words to explain. Thank you very much. I wish all
Thank you
the best.
so much, Uncle.
Your blessings means
Thank
a
you.
lot to us, Uncle. And Ishita, thank you so much for being there. We really loved your presence.
Pleasure.
And
Thank
our
you
lots
so
of wishes for your brother to join the army and to continue the legacy of Captain Amul Kalia.
I wish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, beta.
Pranam, Auntie.
Okay.
Pranam, Uncle.
Bye, beta.